Playing a nice hip-hop groove is really determined by how we approach it. We gotta create the right feel in order for it to move the way we want it to. So we first gotta understand where it came from so we can approach it the right way. Now hip-hop is sort of an extension of jazz music, which is why the marriage between hip-hop and jazz works so well. It's because they're sort of from the same family.
It's life worth living, should I blast myself?
Oh man.
Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, it's life worth living, should I blast myself?
Oh man.
Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, is life worth living, should I blast myself? Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, is life worth living, should I blast myself?
So when we go to play a lot of these hip-hop grooves on the drum kit, we can actually use the jazz swing as a foundation to create the right kind of feel. Jazz swing.
Wake up in the morning